Go. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Ojazzy Bonine, the boy that blew the flute, Oja, in Oja piano and Oja ginger. Keep streaming. Ratata, ladies and gentlemen, Igwe Credo One is here. I am the voice behind the chant in Oja piano and Oja ginger. Keep streaming. And ladies and gentlemen, we want to tell you that we are not having any issue. We are not keeping malice with the 5-star music. Badman Kcee is our boss. He's our friend. He's our brother. Anambra State na emeki yon. Onyaya na wanye. Bloggers should stay away from writing, making up stories concerning 5-star music, Badman Kcee, Ojazzy Bonine, and Igwe Credo. We are one, and you keep seeing more. We keep trending more. We keep pushing more. Keep streaming. Yeah, I want to say no more.
Mbeke ne kwa mono. Iye njimake eme video tata maka wana ya na kwa Kcee ya na Oja Master, which is Ojazzy. Onye nkunu mana oya mabonye bulu Kcee Oja. Na egwu ya na kwa Oja piano. And after ko buchala Oja, after that video Oja piano apụta, a lot of people bechana akogasi na give each their own opinion. Some of them na akwa that na Kcee kwesi itinye iru the guy. Na that video Oja piano no kwesi ka iru the guy, that small boy ni iru ya kwesi ima piano the video. So many of them na akwa that na Kcee the stingy, na Kcee the stingy type, no bo na other like now here na akwa ndi Igbo other like help on for go many people na they give each their own opinion. Some of them na say Kcee na computer from ndi Yoruba na for that carry no kwesi ti the guy kama kwa the guy nkanka mago. Mana ebe mo ye mo abịa ka m kwuo tata na bụ na unu n'anya na afụrụ na that na nke bụ eziokwu bụ na before this Oja piano pụta o nwere ya ma this guy na-akpọ Ojazzy before o nwebelo ya eme ya that na pụta na mmadụ pụtata na anụ maka that Ojazzy na anụ maka this guy na Oja piano anụ all through Kcee, all through na Kcee tili egwu Oja piano me people ju ebe amalụ maka the guy. Of which no problem maka that egwu na Kcee na the guy ka kwena na nleka by na nwere ga mmadụ maka yourself. I don't know if na since it chale egwu na iru the guy na apụta kwa online steady. Yes, I've got many videos ebe Kcee na the guy nocha na video na akụrụ wa for life. Afu maybe ma even my e-money ya na the guy nocha na video na akụrụ wa for life. So o wepụta the kepụta ndị mmadụ kwechi mụta na kesa mind the business before you condemn or somebody. Dị sure na dị sure ị na-ekwu okunu wata. Because so many of you now put sometimes so now on ala ko isi ndị mmadụ on put on la command na bụ no man na bụ na live peacefully on ala ko isi favor ọ bụrụ no on insight gide this guy na drag the Kcee na drag the Kcee na o nwe ka Kcee si okay na because of this dragging na that na menwuzi o nwe ko to rap with this guy now onu wa bụ ndị na drag Kcee ofu no ga turn kwa back na the guy but na the guy dey too fast na the guy by speed no kwesi calm down. No kwesi ji nwayo na follow Kcee. Onwe bebe the guy put us na Kcee if you feel agreement favor omelu. Ono gama no ya na akwo agreement. Onwe egwu Sofia aglo Sofia si na agreement is agreement ye. If etibe egwu ana reach contract. Contract farishi onwe bebe this guy put us na Kcee if you feel a contract favor. Onwuru mgbe the guy pụtasị na Kcee akwụrụ ụgwọ. So ka ime people na like it na-etinye ọnụ na gbasara ọfa just go na drag mmadụ since etichela egwu apụta na ọ Kcee ma eji emalụ maka the guy and the guy na ome nakwa na akwụrụ ụgwọ life since then. Unu je check followers onwego na social media mana followers na grow no multiply go well Kcee na when post to the guy na page ya several times. So unu afọ na ọ dị mkpa na mmadụ unu kwesịrị na mind the business unu kwefolia unu kwesịrị na mind the business unu ejis the emotion when I judge things unu afa drag Kcee na drag Kcee onwe ka Kcee si okay because of this now that now actually carry the guy along. The same you people now will still not carry the guy along. None of you is even ready to help the guy. Manaketa somebody do to go the guy na made the guy and na shine kwa ona kana drag onya enwe many people for charge today mandi na body ndị Igbo self. Obuna Kcee rap use this guy na je use mwazi awosana ma mwazi Yoruba na ma mwazi ndị ndị Benin na ndị otu ya na wee mee ihe egwu ọjị ya na the same you people now will come out and say that na Kcee rapụchalụ ndị Igbo wee jee use onye ọzọ kịta na o use gozukwe ya now. And according to Kcee, no one according to that plan with this particular egwu. No plan get for years, which is that na my even my individuals no plan to go no see where they. So one may use no man expect is just because of na this guy was involved then or changes the plan yani easy. Just communicate go see the guy. No open mask na the video. When you come no go see plan no go see check the video see where they. So I now understand the things honestly where they carry people in this month now will drag about in along here. Somebody troubles me your before or this like your me was your job. Make this year on me sometimes so I'm gonna to go in the mad we help mad because no I'm wrong go moment check it na organ video drag bonya. I don't know on drag somebody me your for a bad reason. You just something can cook up when I drag onya. Eh? I drop one more. And the Malcolm mad that no konye jigo no wife, you know. Nobody is owing anybody. Get a mad may business today, na easily go affair today, na G go affair na chop on mad. You got the shop, you go affair, or you go to Safia, Konya, or go product on ele. All these young man can use this bomb mad too much. You must qualike, the add Yalonia ego. That egg add the lia because we dig it. No more make it force, and that is what you know, got drag again. Kcee na this small boy reached agreement. Faith teacher gave fatally. I'm sure that na Kcee, if you feel go, they're part of agreement by equal the guy yogo. And we have never seen in anywhere the guy put us at the Kcee akoro yogo. So why the dragon? So now this small boy up to some was on that now. Now everybody up na drag so far should stop it. That na Kcee are living fine. Everything is going fine. That people should stay away from trying to like or see Yana Kcee, that everything is going fine. So you can ask someone to take some mind in business. No, I'm going to come on them.